Hey everyone. So, have you ever wondered why our org is performing very slow? So, have you ever thought how to analyze and understand what is making our org to perform very slow? We have this very handy tool in Salesforce to analyze your org and to understand what are the factors which makes our org to perform very slow. So, which is nothing but this powerful and simple tool, the optimizer. Okay, so how to go to this particular optimizer is you have to go to the home and go to your quick find. In that, you'll be able to find this optimizer. Just click this. Okay, so once you go here, it will redirect you to a new page. In this, you have the allow access. Okay, first you have to allow access to enable the optimizer. Okay, let us first give the access here and agree to the terms and just save and close. Okay, so once it is done, just open this optimizer here. So just click this and here you will be able to see a run optimizer button. Okay, so this button, actually once you click this button, it will start analyzing your entire org. Okay, so it is going to analyze your entire org. So it is going to give you a detailed report of what is happening inside your org. Okay, are we nearing some governor limits, or what is that makes your org to perform very slow? Okay, so let us do one thing. Let us just run this optimizer and let us wait for the scanning. So it starts scanning your entire org. Okay, the scanning time depends on the size of your org. Okay, so it is actually given the maximum time as 24 hours. So it depends on your size of your org. Okay, so let us give some time for this scanning. Okay, let us wait for some time. Okay, now the scanning is done, and you can see here the snapshot of your entire org analysis report is done now. Okay, so you can see here the snapshot here, and it gives you the blueprint of what is happening inside your org. Okay, so what makes your org to perform very slow? Okay, so it divides the status into three, like the action immediately required. Okay, and the review required. Okay, and not currently enabled, all those features whichever you haven't yet enabled. Okay, and other things. Okay, so no action required. So likewise, it scans your entire org and it provides you a report, detailed report. Okay, now what we can do is, so I'm having some two immediate action required, right? Just I'm going to click this feature, user logins. Okay, let me click this. So once we click this, it takes to you a kind of screen where it provides you with the result. Okay, so you can see here one user haven't logged in lately. Okay, so it just wants you that one user haven't yet logged at all for a long time, and who is that person and what you can do here, the recommendation. Okay, so what you can just do to resolve this issue. Okay, so likewise, you have got although the help resources. You can see here how to deactivate the user. So likewise, you have some trial head help resources also here. Okay, so likewise, you can just use this org metrics, whatever is actually given here, to understand what is actually making your org to behave very slow. Okay, let us open one more thing. Okay, you have the profile assignments, what happens here, and unassigned permission sets. Likewise, you have got a detailed report here. Let us open this pending release updates. So this gives you the update actions, whatever is necessary for your org. Okay, and also it gives you the recommendation of the upcoming releases, whatever is actually needed for your org. Okay, likewise, it gives you some suggestions and everything. Okay, you can see here the recommendation also. Okay, so likewise, using this optimizer, you can just scan your entire org and just get the detailed org metrics data. And based on that, you can take some actions, whatever is given as a recommendation here. And once you actually, as an admin, as a Salesforce admin, following this recommendation will actually make your org to improve its performance, and you can just optimize it also. Okay, so this is how the optimizer is going to help, a simple powerful tool, and just try with your org also. Thank you.